Today I'm going to show you how to sign into your MSN account quickly and easily. If you use MSN for news, email, or personalized content, this simple walkthrough will help you get logged in without confusion. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software and account tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to msn.com. You can type it directly into the address bar and press enter. Once the MSN homepage loads, take a look at the top right corner of the page. That is where you'll find the sign in button. Now click on the sign in button in the top right. This will take you to the Microsoft sign in page because MSN uses your Microsoft account to log you in. If you already have a Microsoft account such as an Outlook, Hotmail, or live email address, you can use that here. On the sign in screen, enter your email address or phone number linked to your Microsoft account. Make sure you type it correctly because this is the account MSN will use to verify your identity and bring up your saved settings and preferences. After entering your email or phone number, click Next. This moves you to the password step. If you type the wrong email, you can go back and correct it before continuing. Now type in your password. Be careful to enter it exactly as it is, especially if you have uppercase letters, numbers, or symbols in your password. If you are on a shared or public device, also make sure no one else can see your password as you type it. Once your password is entered, click Next again. MSN will now verify your login details and sign you into your account. In some cases, Microsoft may ask you to complete an extra security step, like confirming your identity with a code or approving the login on another device. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions. After the sign-in process is complete, you'll be taken back to MSN, and you should now be logged into your account. From there, you can view your personalized homepage, access your Microsoft services, and continue using MSN normally. If you ever get signed out, just repeat the same steps. Go to MSN, click Sign In, enter your Microsoft email or phone number, click Next, type your password, and click Next again. It's the same process every time, so once you've done it once, it becomes very easy, and that's it. You've successfully signed into your MSN account. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.